Hey, it's JP with Max Tr3 Revival. It's Wednesday evening, and tomorrow we're going to take that frame and have a little sandblasting done on it. I got this transportation figured out. I got a friend who's going to help me. I've got a lot of supplies sitting, ready to go. Got a few items I need to do, tape off a couple of the bearing locations. I got a few holes I'm going to fill with some plugs. And we're gonna load it up in the morning. Wish you the best of luck. The weather looks like it's gonna cooperate perfectly because we're gonna be in about an hour and 15-minute drive. Try and get it blasted and turned around and brought back tomorrow evening. Okay, won't say it's the best job, and I probably misjudged the size of the trailer a little bit, but she's all locked down, ready to go. Now I'm gonna take that trip. I don't think it's going anywhere. I measured, but I forgot about the pads, the foot pads, or the mounting pads for the body. And there's a plane flying overhead screwing up my video. But, ready to go? Gonna go see if we can't get some cleaning going on. Here's to a trip. See you in a bit. So here we are. We are up in Millersville at Chesapeake Blast and Service. I'll stick a link in. And the frame is ready to go. They have taken a look. Got a few spaces that I told them I wanted to be a little lighter on than heavier. One of them's the front where I did this repair, right down here, which is now it was flipped over, so that was the repair I did where I had to replace that cap piece and everything else. We've got that, so they're gonna sweep lightly on that area. We're gonna protect the bearing surfaces for the lower control arms. Today has decided to rain a little bit. It's supposed to be sunny all day. We're in a covered area, so hit it with some blast, get it ready to go, and then we'll load her up and bring her back. Shouldn't be too long. I think it's fairly simple. It's an exciting day and looking forward to the next step. So I took a recommendation from a friend to come have lunch at the Nautilus Diner while the car was getting sandblasted. Had a BLT that was some really, really thick bacon and very tasty. Local spot if you plan on having a bite to eat. Okay, so we're back for pickup, and all in all, I'd say it looks very nice, clean, ready to go. All my spots I was worried about, I've only got one little spot that I see, which is right here. That's the end of this tube, so might address that at some point. It's supposed to be a little bit of a smaller hole, like a weep hole for that channel. Looks really good and clean. I was worried about my my repair up front here, so we went super light on it per my request, and everything looks like it held in there. My repair that I did on this mount is really good, still holding in there. Got a little bit of weather we got to contend with on the drive back. Gonna bag it up and then get it into the trailer. We're wrapped up like a burrito, headed for home. He is locked in again. Got a little bit of a drive to get back. Looks really, really good. Appreciate the work. I said I was gonna stick a link in, but it's once again Chesapeake Blasting out of Millersville, Maryland. And the gentleman that I dealt with here was Sam. Extremely helpful, helping tighten everything up for the trip back as well. He did an excellent job, and frame looks great. So if you need any blasting services, I recommend you check them out. It's been a long day. It's back safe and sound. It's in the garage. I got it in a little different location because I need to get some paint on it. Bad part is my paint has been delayed. A little disappointed in the company that I ordered to paint with. because I got no kind of correspondence saying that it was. There was one item on group items that I had ordered. I guess they decided not to ship. I don't know if they were waiting on everything to come in. Plan B, I guess I'll have to go hunt some paint down and see if I can't get at least primer coat on with something else and make sure it's compatible with what I'm going to use for the top coat. That's the next order. Got it all wrapped up because we had a little imminent threat of some showers, and with sandblasted didn't want to do that. Very slight sprinkle in the drive back, and it was wrapped pretty tight. I think I am good to go. Just want to keep the fingerprints off of it until I can actually start applying the paint. Just do the wipe down, blow it off, and then go from there.